Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make this fast and incredibly delicious recipe for Kung Pao chicken. Now this dish has a variety of different textures from the crunchy peanuts to the juicy bits of zucchini and bell pepper, as well as tender pan-seared chicken, all mixed into a spicy aromatic sauce. It's a quick and easy dinner that's going to be ready in less than 15 minutes. Now, if you've ever ordered Kung Pao chicken at your favorite Chinese restaurant, you'll love this healthy homemade version. Now, I'm starting off here with my cut up chicken. I have about 2 pounds of chicken in a bowl, cut into small squares, and I'm gonna be marinating it for a few minutes with soy sauce, cornstarch, and I have some black pepper. Now let this sit for a few minutes to marinate while you get all of your other ingredients ready. I'm gonna fry this on a medium-high heat until all the liquid gets cooked out of the chicken and starts to fry and get nice and golden brown on the outside. This is gonna take about 5 minutes. Now as you can see, I'm frying the chicken with a few dried chilies, and this adds a tiny bit of spice, but it's not overly spicy unless you were to chop the chilies up. If you guys are new to my channel, welcome, and for all my subscribers, thank you so much for coming back to watch another video. I really appreciate all of your support. I have a ton of new recipes that I will be posting weekly, so please don't forget to click that notification bell so you won't miss out. Now that our chicken is nice and golden brown, I'm going to be removing it from the pan and adding 2 zucchinis that I have chopped into cubes, along with 1 red bell pepper. I'm going to fry this until the vegetables are nice and soft, about 4 minutes, and then I will be adding the chicken back into the pan and we're going to prepare our sauce. For this sauce, I'm going to mix together 3 cloves of chopped garlic, a tablespoon of chopped ginger, and a teaspoon of sriracha. Now this is where you can really add more or less spiciness to the dish. I'm also adding a 1/4 cup of soy sauce with a tablespoon of rice vinegar. And for the last thing, I have a cup of water and I'm mixing in 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, which is going to make the sauce nice and rich and thick. I'm adding the sauce to the chicken and vegetables, and I'm going to cook this for about 4 minutes. Now, I really just want the sauce to thicken and everything to get nicely coated. When the sauce has thickened, I'm going to sprinkle it with a few peanuts, and that is it, you guys. Your Kung Pao chicken is ready to be served. Enjoy this dish with a nice steaming hot bowl of steamed rice, pot stickers, or on a bowl of noodles. It's an easy and fast dinner that's going to be your new go-to recipe. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe, and I'll see you next time.